I'm just going to ask you to take a nice big breath in. So, are you ready?
Yep.
Cool. Nice big breath in. Excellent. Awesome. Well done.
Doesn't.
And we're just going to get a little bit of pressure on here like this for a couple of minutes. Right. How was that?
Yeah, but now it's done.
Yeah, it's so quick, right? It's so quick. By the time you kind of felt what's happening, it's it's exactly where we wanted it. Cool. Yeah, it's like a bad pinch with a scratch to follow, isn't it? It's not too bad. It's probably akin to most injections or
it's like most vaccinations and stuff.
Yeah. In fact, even quicker because you're not having to like wait for things. It's straight in.
Sore but done.
Yeah. Not too bad.